First stop is always Evike to see our friends. Nice. I'm hidden. No one will know. Ooh, swag bag! What?
This is our Hop Up Hazy and our Pew Pilsner.
That's cool. Hollow Sun booth is always popular. Everybody's standing in line to get merch, swag. SHOT Show's actually gotten a lot smaller in the past few years. When COVID hit, it kind of destroyed SHOT Show for a little bit, and so it hasn't really fully recovered yet from what it used to be like back in like 2015, 2016. That's when it was like peak. Well, for me, in the time that I've been coming here. Airsoft. Oh, look. There's my husband. Hello. There he is again. He's all over. Jed is the booth. There are several different floors and sections of SHOT Show, depending on what you want. This hall is the most expensive hall. This is where the nicest booths are. And then, if you want to see some other stuff, there is also a section out in the Caesars Forum. I can put on these new glasses that I got from Evike. Now I'm OPSEC. Heck yeah. This is like a bar / smoking area for the convention. Get your merch. This bridge goes into the Caesars Forum. There's also a SHOT Show app that you can download. So for people that are new and haven't been coming for over a decade like me, and it will tell you where all the booths are. You can search for them, and it will give you directions on how to get there. So here we go into the Caesars Forum. Hello, how are you?
Happy.
Good. All of these rooms are huge. Here's KWA. They market more for training at this show. Actual girls' clothes. Wow. UF Pro, this is my favorite of all the uniforms. The most comfortable of combat uniforms. Go across the hall into this other one. There are just halls for days. It's so easy to get lost here. A different shirt every day. So they're handing out shirts. That's what all these people are waiting in line for. Whoa. That's a big gun. Hand for reference. Back we go across the bridge. These offset glasses from Evike are so funny. My new favorite thing. Back in the main hall, which is like the best place to have a booth because this is the most highly traveled section of SHOT Show where you see the most people usually, and these are like the nicest booths, the tens and tens and tens and tens and tens and tens and tens of thousands of dollar booths. This is also the most hectic hall to walk through. There's always tons of people, and then everybody with all their giant swag bags trying to collect as much swag as they can for the whole year. Swag's not really my thing, though.
Let me write.
HK booth, always slammed. Hello! Slammed. Always. Go back by the Evike booth, see if Jet's still there. Another fancy one. You can see people going up to the meeting room. Evike has a shooting range, so people can test out all the guns before they buy them. The target system. Hello. Lancer now has a big booth. So now we go out of the main hall and we go downstairs where the rest of most of the other airsoft companies are. Woo. Registration lines. If you pre-register for SHOT Show, they have a lot of self-service kiosks that you can go in, you scan your barcode, and then they will just print your badge for you, so that way you don't have to stand in that long-ass line. And here we go, into the basement. ASG has the booth right at the front. And they're busy. So you can tell the difference between the upstairs and the downstairs is, we call this the dungeon. Over here in the corner, we've got PTS. Hello, hello. How's it going? Food court. I don't really recommend the food court food. It's really expensive and kind of mid. We just saw one side of the basement. Now you can see how much more basement is left here. explored the basement and the main hall, the Caesars Expo, and now here on the main floor, we've got a bunch of other side room sections of law enforcement. These rooms, fun fact, when I was very first new to the industry, I worked in one of these rooms over here to the side. The company that I worked for sold airsoft guns over here, so let's check it out. Most of these booths over here, these are a lot of people looking for law enforcement contracts and training. And fleece. That's nice. Ooh, you like. And you can put patches on your poncho, what everyone wants. Women's armor now. Check it out. Always the popular booth also. You know, the Gucci of the tactical world is Cry Precision. Back in another one of the main halls. There's so many back in the fancy land.
Hey there, how are you?
Places to be. I feel like I'm gonna get run over. I'm like a salmon swimming upstream right now. I'm also wearing a keychain on my backpack that says "Fuck the Patriarchy," so I'm getting a lot of looks. Dogs on dogs on dogs. Bunch of dudes hitting me with their backpacks. Sheesh. Perspective as to just like how massive the show is. I have been walking now to show all the different sections and visit all the different sections. Been walking for about, 10, 11, 12, 1. I've been walking for about 3.5 hours. Still haven't seen close to everything, and that's with me not stopping really at any booth at all. That's just with me walking and seeing who all's here and familiarizing myself with the show. So 3 hours of walking, still haven't even seen it all. I still have a whole nother floor to go to. But first, Jet, my husband, told me where he was, so I'm gonna go try to meet up with him. Maybe we'll get some food or something to sustain us. We'll see if he's there. Actually where he said he would be. Oh my God. Here we go, level 5. There is a press room here, so if you're media, you can go in there and work, which has been really handy in the past for me, because I can go and transfer footage and do a little work while I'm here, and there's Wi-Fi, and there's water and some snacks. So the press room is really handy. Okay, finally, we're here on level 5. We've almost made it.
Oh, thank you.
Good, how are you?
Did you have lunch already?
Pardon?
Did you eat lunch?
I'm going to. Still working on it. An angel. Wow.
A real life angel.
Dang.
I didn't realize the angels were Japanese.
Yeah, they are. Nice. All done for the day. It's 5 o'clock. My feet hurt. Just been walking all day. And now we're gonna walk back home because an Uber is $40 to go 1 mile. So we're just gonna walk and rest for a minute, and then we gotta go to the Evike party. Party. Oh yeah, and you can see the mass exodus from SHOT Show. Here we go. So every night after the show, there are parties that are hosted by the different companies. And tonight is the Evike party, and it's at their outpost in Henderson, basically Vegas.
believe the Bloods beat the Crips.
Wow! It's rigged.
This is wild.
Okay, and all I gotta say is Leah is the cutest girl I
Oh.